How to find McDonald's deal in your country. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on this video we will learn how we can find McDonald's deals in your country. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, you must have the application. Download the McDonald's application, and after that, during the setup process, you have to choose your country or a region and make sure to sign in into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one account and sign in into your account, which will unlock all of the exclusive in-application offers and rewards. Once you're logged in, most of the McDonald's application have deals or offers or any rewards or deal section. So search for the deal section on your home screen once you're logged in. Once you find the deals or the offers, make sure to tap on it. After that, you can browse through the available promos that can be free drink with purchase, $1 fries or buy one get one burgers or birthday freebies or daily specials. So explore all of the options or the promos and tap on the offer that you want. After that, you can choose add to mobile order or to use it online, or you could also go for use at restaurant to generate a QR code so that you can scan in store or at the drive through in order to use that offer. So that's it. That's the way to find the McDonald's deals in your country. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.